What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in real quick. Guys, I got sick out of nowhere on yesterday, and it took your boy out, man. And so, I'm trying to get through today to tap in with you guys, man. So, bear with me. But class will be in session on today. I want to show you guys something that I want you guys to take advantage of, okay? And I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing, not only yesterday, but today. Yep, I got all the texts, I got all the screenshots, and I'll say that for another video, okay? But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm going to kick it off with the SPY. This video is about Tesla though, but I just want to show you this setup, and I gotta always be upfront and transparent with you guys, okay? Now this particular setup is my favorite setup, but guess what? Your boy only caught a portion of the run today. Follow my screen, guys, okay? Right here at 9:45, we were at 379 or 940. It made a strong move up, okay? All the way, guys, to 384. All right, and any strong move up, it'll have a slight dip and then it'll come back and retest. So at 384, it dipped down and then came back up, dipped down again and came back up. But look at this, guys. But this is my favorite play. This is the $20,000 day of play right here, okay? This is how you do that. Whenever you see this chart pattern, and I'm gonna show it to you next with Tesla, okay? But this is how I do 20,000 in a day, guys. But today, I was thinking it was about to go to 385. I ignored, and this is the downside of being sick because I wasn't in my right mind today. I was getting ready to do a call right here. I'm always going to tell you guys my setups and what I was thinking. Around this time at 110, it was 384.93. I was like, oh, this is going to go to 385.30. And I'm going to do a quick scalp and make a quick $500 to $1,000. That's what I was thinking. So because I didn't have my favorite setup in mind, it got to falling down, and it wasn't until it was all the way back down, let's say back at 382, that I even realized, oh, this is my, as I often say, any play that make a strong move up will always come back and make a full retest of that position. So because I know that, I still jumped in, but I should have been in way up here at 384, okay? And I should have rolled this all the way down to 377. That was my price target. I knew this play to a T, okay? I didn't catch it, not in this full movement, okay? I caught bits and pieces of it. I'll share this with you guys, okay? And then I'm more disappointed too, guys. This bounce off 377, 378, I only caught a portion of this run and end up losing $1,000 too, I think, thinking it was going to come back down, okay? So just not the best trading day for me. Again, I think I wasn't on top of my game fully, okay? But I just wanted to go over that with you guys. Now check this out. All right, classes in session. Tesla sitting here at 190.15 in after hours. But look at Tesla, guys. At 9, 10 o'clock, 10:15, it made a strong move up. But look where it's at. At 10:15, guys, it ran a test. And this is what I want to show you guys. You guys know how I tell you, man, Tesla is coming to 200, 180, and 140. Okay, just trust the process. It ain't gonna come in a day. Just like this crash I'm about to tell you guys about. Although it's going to happen, let it play itself out. You got to get through the midterm elections tonight and tomorrow. You got to get through CPI on Thursday, but it's coming. Just be patient. You can change your life off of what I'm about to teach you guys right here. But look at this, guys. It did a test of 187. Okay, so it broke 200. It broke 198. Now we here flirting with the 180s. Who the one was telling you guys, man, Tesla coming to 180. And what's my next level for Tesla, guys? 140. But you gotta respect the levels, okay? It take a minute to go through each level, so don't just look for 140 out the gate. Anyway, look at this, guys. From 187, it ran all the way up here to 194. All right, it dipped. Any strong move up will dip down. It hit 193, but then it came back to test 194. But look at this, guys. It dipped again and came back up to test 194. So 194 is what's known as heavy resistance. Wall Street was determined to not let Tesla get above 194. That's where the bears were sitting at, okay? So as soon as it get to 194, they smack it back down. But don't this look real similar to the SPY? From 194, Tesla fell all the way down here to 189 at 230. Okay, again, guys, I'm showing you this. Class is in session. When you see these strong moves up in the stock market, you always need to be thinking it's going to make a strong move back down after it hits resistance a few times, and then it's going to come back down. Now this one came to 189. It didn't come fully back to 187, but from 194 to 189, trust me, guys, I know this game like the back of my hand. This is some good money, okay? Tesla, guys, they did a test today. They just wanted to see where the buyers were at. Buyers stepped in at 189. Let's check this out. Here at 10:45, buyer stepped in at 188. Buyer stepped in at 187. Okay, so these levels, let's just say the mid 180s, will serve as support and resistance. Okay, but look at this range. Okay, so from 187 to, I'll even say, I really want to say 198, but I'll just round that up to 200. Will be a range. Well, Tesla will be range bound in until more negative news or a hot CPI print happen, and then this stock will, then this support at 187 will turn into resistance when it hits my number 180. When it hit 180, when it bounces, it's going to be bouncing from 180 to 187. I'm trying to teach you guys stuff in advance so you already ready, okay, for what's going to happen when it comes, okay? But 187 right now is support, so respect it, but don't count on it to get to 187. Look at for 188 and look at 189 as some support levels to bounce back to that 194, 195 level. If it clears 195 or it has a green day before it's going to eventually crash, it's going to hit 198, 200, 202. Okay, those will be some of your short-term upside price targets. Don't ever rule out Tesla because it's a runner, so it can take off. But again, as long as they're trying to push it down, they ran a test today and they got into the 180s. Okay, 189, 188, 187. Okay, that opens the door for this to test 185 to the downside whenever it comes. Okay, react to what you see. Don't just blindly jump in thinking 195. If it's a trending going up and just want to be around 194, 192, that's what you do for that time being, okay? But I'm talking about when it begins to go down, you now know 188. I showed you 189. I showed you 187. So the next level en route to 180 will be 185, okay? Listen, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go get some tea and lay down, man. But just wanted to put that on you guys. Hopefully these lessons help you out on your day-to-day trading journey, okay? Remember I told you, all these patterns repeat themselves. I use the SPY because it helps me knock all other plays out the park, because the charts either look similar or they have some resemblance to them, okay? Tesla look a little different than a SPY, but got so many similarities, it's just easy to play, all right? But I want you guys to be aware of the levels we discussed. When you see them present themselves, whether it's tomorrow, whether it's Friday, whether it's next Tuesday, I want you guys to be like, oh, I saw this in Chris's video. Coach went over these things with us, and I'm now able to take advantage of it. I can trust the process. When the stock makes a strong move up, it's going to do a quick retest and go test that high number again, okay? But then after the test, it's going to trade sideways and then come back down from where the strong move started at. Remember that little lesson. And even if it don't come fully down, sometimes just halfway of a move is enough to set you guys up for a huge victory, all right? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, so do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys check out for free stocks below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.